Welcome today in front of me OPPO A94, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just take a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face. I set up my face recognition here, and now I'll try to unlock the device with my face, and we will see how fast the switcher is and does it work. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the face unlock feature works here so fast. This works correct. We just can unlock the device less than in half of a second, so this is really good result. I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but be careful because the face unlock is less secure than just PIN code or passcode. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.